We're gonna open up the box. We're gonna go through the getting started. What's in the box? If you haven't already, you guys watch unboxing stuff. I love watching people unbox stuff. It's like watching cake get. Yeah, I love cake, so it's like watching it get made. Is just like what I'm gonna eat it. I'm hungry now. This is an unboxing. If you haven't already unboxed it, you can follow along. But if you already dived in and started making stuff, that's cool too. That's cool too. So by now you have gotten your Future Humans box, and we're gonna just open and see what's in the box right now. Let's just get this going. All right. Got some nice orange beam tape here. All right. Not the sharpest of scissors, but we do what we can. All right. So once you have opened your box, you will see there's two distinct. I'll just move this out the way. There's two distinct boxes. One's going to be your craft materials box, which is going to have all. Let's open it up and just see it's going to have all your craft material needs. It should have a glue gun. It should have some popsicle sticks. It should have scissors. These are called brads. These are really good for clasping things together. Also, it's really cool for making circuits. We should have some glue sticks. We should have some measurement tape, a pencil, a ruler, rubber bands, not to make rubber band guns, sharpener, if you can see here, a little greeny meanie, as I like to call it, and a hole punch, and glue sticks, of course. And I don't know what these are called. I call them red tubies. I have no idea what these are called, if I'm being quite honest. The red little mini tubes. Red mini tubes, right? little red. These are really great for doing whatever, for decorating, for creating really cool structures. So you should have some of these red mini tubes. And that's about it. That should be in your craft box. Now, in the case there was some human error and we biffed it and we missed something, make sure you go to Rocket Chat and you contact us and we'll let you know. Like if something is missing or not working, just contact us at Rocket Chat, which is kind of our tech support for this program, and let us know like, hey man, where's my glue gun? Or my glue gun doesn't work, or I don't have any red tubes, or I don't have any brads. So yeah, that should be in your craft box. Now, the real good stuff, right? The circuit, the electricity. Oh. Awesome stuff. All right, so in your circuit box, you have wire, right? You should have your battery terminal. You should have your piezo and your servo motor. That's this blue thing here. I don't know if you guys can see it here. You should have your little LED lights, your connectors. You should have a breadboard in there. Too many breads. These are called breadboards. Don't eat them. Do not eat them. It's not real bread. All right. And of course, I would say this is the most imperative thing of the program. It's gonna be your brain, aka your Arduino, your Brainduino, as I like to call it. So you have to make sure you have this Brainduino because this is actually going to program your circuitry and your badge and your wearable. Make sure you have that. You should have a fresh pack of AA batteries. This is a speaker. You should have a speaker in there. Very cool tool. This is called a wire stripper. You want to make sure you have that wire stripper in there. And I believe that's it. That should be in your circuit board. Now, what I forgot to mention, and then I didn't show earlier, is that there should be a check-off list in the box. And you want to make sure that as you go through your box, you check off everything on the checkout list. I don't know where it went. Mine's was misplaced somewhere, but you should have that on there. Okay? So that is going through the box of the two mini boxes in the box. Now we're going to go through the materials in the box and stuff that you should have some. We're going to go through some more stuff. You should have some, oh, hey, what's going on? Fireball cat in the back. We should have some cellophane. We have some really cool, I believe it's called Mylar. Really cool. This is really cool to dress up your wearables and stuff. Also in the box, we have a bunch of, alright, it's kind of hard to get out of there. Come on, get out of there. There we go. We should have some chipboard. Now, chipboard is a very versatile construction material to make your wearables. It's also really, what's really cool about chipboard is you can dress it up as far as like it's really easy to glue on, and you can also just draw on it if you have markers at home. This is really cool to draw on to make your wearables, and it's very flexible. It forms to the skin. It really holds well with glue or staples. So this is a really cool material. Ah, here it is. This is what I was talking about. Voila. Like I mentioned earlier, as you go through your checklist, you want to literally check it off and make sure you have each and everything on the circuit box, and the paper box. All this you want to check off. And it should be also in your Future Humans inventory kit. So this is the list that I was talking about, and you should also have that. So we also have tin foil here. You might have like extra rolls, in the kitchen if your mom's cooking up some barbecue, making a casserole. But also, you can use it to make some really cool stuff, I love this stuff, man. If you want to make your stuff look futuristic and like, I'm a cyborg, tin foil is the best. Reynolds wrap, baby. Call it Reynolds because it's a wrap. All right, that's enough of that. We have white pieces of paper for your journal, construction paper, different colors. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is a tech tip from your boy Yematron. So, if you're building stuff and you're like, I don't like any of these materials, or I do like some of the materials, what's interesting about this program is you can salvage old stuff around your house. You can use egg cartons. You can use paper rolls from like those paper tubes, like from the toilet paper, or paper towels, cardboard from Amazon shipping, or you can even use cereal box paper, because that's kind of like chipboard as well. So you can salvage through your house like for old materials and repurpose, or as they call it, upcycle it to use for your wearables. So sky is the limit, and your imagination is your wheelhouse. So like as far as your like this guy, so you see Squirtle, he got glasses on, he's a Pokemon, he doesn't care, he's an imaginative creature, but he's real now. He's walking and he's strutting, going to the beach. Because it's very hot. Stay hydrated. It's very hot today. So that's it for what's in the box. Again, I'll reiterate, if you have any trouble or if you have anything that's missing, please hit us up on the Rocket Chat, which is on our website, Beamstream/Future Humans. All right. I'm just going to move some of this stuff out the way. Coolio. It's a lot of stuff. I don't want to make a mess. And we'll just put this